So this is Euro Yen analysis for Thursday, the 5th of October. What have we seen happen on the Euro Yen? Yes, the Euro Yen has been it's been difficult. It has not really gone. It hasn't really found direction. Really, it's got a bit of a range. First, we had a slight trend to the upside. Now we're pretty neutral. It's not really based on the size of the candles. There's not really much conviction to either to the upside or the downside. So overall, if you look at the monthly time frames, you could see we're in a pretty prominent uptrend, pretty strong uptrend. So if you look at that, we've got consecutive candles closing near the highs on the monthly time frame, which is bullish and supportive of upside momentum. If you go down to the weekly time frame, let's just break it down even further. Let's just see where we are. Weekly time frame, again, we've had prices come up, bull flag, price come up, bull flag, price come up, bull flag. So again, we're having a bit of a pullback, which could potentially be another bull flag. And so let's go down to the daily. I don't normally use daily, but let's have a look. Jeez Louise, it's that same kind of price action where it's slowly going up, not with much conviction, but it is trending to the upside. Currently, if you look over the past couple of days, look at that. It's a pretty tight range. It seems like the market is waiting for some news or some fundamental event to give it some direction. And yeah, if we go down to the hourly, see where we are. Get the scaling on there correctly. Get the scaling on there correct. So it's difficult to read much into this. We've let's just get the scaling right. I suppose you could say we've had our lows. We've had our lows over here, slightly higher lows over there. We did put in this context a lower low and a higher low, but this 200 period moving average does appear to be providing some dynamic resistance. We've had a test of the weekly pivot of 3283, which we've rejected from, and we've rejected from it twice previously. Again, just like I said in a similar previous video, if we do continue to get tests of a level, it tends to not be very long before it is broken. So prices are consolidating below these 3283. If we do break and hold it, because I think what's saving 3283 from being broken is the fact that we've also got the 200 period moving average above. So that's providing some dynamic resistance. If we do break and hold that level, 33.45 is well within range, after which we're going to be testing a very important level at 34. Now, if we do break down, I don't expect to break it down. I don't expect prices to break down, but if we do break down, 31.70 being the obvious level to the downside, beneath which 30.60 will come into play. Above the 34 level, we are obviously looking at 35.60. Those are levels I'm looking at. My overall view on this chart, if you look at the 60, we've had 3 tests so far of 32.83. We're consolidating below this 200 period moving average. I'd say I'm expecting prices to break to the upside on Euro Yen for a further continuation. I'd like to see a hold of 32.83, and that being used as a potential support for a springboard trade towards 134. So that should wrap up my analysis for Euro Yen. So LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.